So I decided to let my cat choose my makeup for Halloween, and there we go. She didn't like NYX's Bright palette, but she really liked this Black Radiance. Make it black, I wonder why. She's a bit biased, but hey. I also gave her to try Essentials too, but by Violet was. And then there was Remember Me by Amoras. It's a really nice palette, but my cat Honey, she didn't like it. And then there was Cosmic Glitz, which she kind of disliked. And then Daydream, again by Amoras, which I tried to present her, but she just hated it.
Oh, he likes red. He likes red, like freakish and spellbound. Vinny.
And then I had the audacity to actually choose the lipstick myself, but I consulted the best beauty advisors, beauty professionals, and they approved. So yes, I had to use dark red, and I had to use black, and I never really used black as an eyeshadow. I only used like grayish. But here you can see I just put it on my eyelid. Yay! And then I put it underneath my eyes also. But again, I was just trying it out because I didn't know how it would turn out in the end. I'm by no means a professional yet, but I'm trying my best, and I've been doing makeup for about 2 weeks now. So after these 2 weeks, I don't know, I think I already enjoy the results much more than I used to enjoy them when I just started it. I added a bit of even, what is it called, burgundy or even darker red, without the permission of my kittens. Oh, just don't tell them. Don't tell my kittens. I still think they would approve that. By the way, you can see by the state of my chairs that I do have like 4 cats. And they all like scratching my chair and lying on it. Yes. Oh, and it was time for black. And I was a bit scared to use it, and you can see how I'm just ripping my eye off, and I'm just doing it so like brutally. Just applying this black color to my eye. I didn't apply it underneath my eye, I only applied red underneath my eye. And then I blended the colors together to the best of my abilities, which actually turned out not so bad. I added a bit more burgundy under my eyes and blended them a bit, and then I had to do my eyeliner, and of course I couldn't fail. Oh, yeah, I kind of tried to draw eyelashes with it, but I think, yeah. But I tried to fix it, and I think it ended up looking okay, and I even liked the final result. I applied the lipstick and the darkest shade of blush. There is the final result. Tell me how you like it. I enjoyed making this video, and I thank you for watching it, and have a great day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy Halloween!